Today you will learn 100 everyday English adjectives. Happy. She feels happy today. Sad. He was sad when the movie ended. Angry. The customer became angry about the mistake. Excited. We are excited about our vacation. Tired. I am tired after work. Busy. She is busy with her homework. Friendly. Our new neighbor is very friendly. Kind. He is kind to everyone he meets. Polite. The student was polite to the teacher. Rude. It is rude to interrupt people. Tall. My brother is tall. Short. The table is short. Big. They live in a big house. Small. She carries a small bag. Long. The road is long. Fast. That car is very fast. Slow. The turtle is slow. Strong. He is strong enough to lift the box. Weak. The battery is weak. Smart. She is a smart student. Clever. The clever child solved the puzzle. Funny. His joke was funny. Serious. This is a serious problem. Quiet. The library is quiet. Loud. The music is loud. Clean. The kitchen is clean. Dirty. His shoes are dirty. Rich. The businessman is rich. Poor. The village is poor. Easy. This lesson is easy. Difficult. The test was difficult. Beautiful. The garden is beautiful. Ugly. The old wall looked ugly. Young. She is young and energetic. Old. My grandfather is old. New. I bought a new phone. Modern. The building is modern. Ancient. They visited an ancient temple. Hot. The coffee is hot. Cold. The water is cold. Warm. The blanket feels warm. Cool. The evening air is cool. Bright. The room is bright. Dark. The sky became dark. Soft. The pillow is soft. Hard. The rock is hard. Heavy. This box is heavy. Light. The bag is light. Full. The glass is full. Empty. The bottle is empty. Safe. This neighborhood is safe. Dangerous. That road can be dangerous. Honest. She is always honest. Brave. The firefighter was brave. Shy. He is shy around strangers. Confident. She feels confident before the interview. Lucky. I was lucky to find my keys. Unlucky. It was an unlucky day. Careful. Please be careful with the glass. Careless. The mistake was careless. Healthy. Eating vegetables is healthy. Sick. He stayed home because he was sick. Hungry. The children are hungry. Thirsty. I am thirsty after running. Early. She arrived early. Late. The bus was late. Open. The store is open. Closed. The bank is closed. Sweet. The cake is sweet. Bitter. The medicine tastes bitter. Fresh. The fruit is fresh. Stale. The bread is stale. Cheap. This shirt is cheap. Expensive. That watch is expensive. Famous. She is a famous singer. Popular. The restaurant is popular. Helpful. The employee was helpful. Useful. This tool is useful. Interesting. The book is interesting. Boring. The lecture was boring. Simple. The instructions are simple. Complex. The machine is complex. Noisy. The street is noisy. Peaceful. The countryside is peaceful. Strong. The bridge is strong. Gentle. The puppy is gentle. Proud. Her parents are proud of her. Nervous. He felt nervous before the test. Calm. She remained calm during the storm. Curious. The child is curious about everything. Creative. She is a creative artist. Helpful. My friend is always helpful. Generous. The woman was generous with her time. Patient. The teacher is patient with students. Lazy. The lazy cat slept all day. Active. He enjoys an active lifestyle. Successful. She became a successful business owner. Responsible. He is responsible for the project. Reliable. This car is reliable. Amazing. The view from the mountain was amazing. Great job! You have just learned 100 everyday English adjectives and heard each word used in a sentence. To improve your English, try repeating the words and creating your own sentences. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for learning English with us today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep practicing your English every day.